Tired of shoppers guessing about your products? Let's turn those questions into confident purchases by adding detailed specifications to your Wix store. First, head to your Wix dashboard and click on Products in the left-hand menu. This is where all the magic happens. Next, select the product you want to enhance. Just click on it to open the product details page. Scroll down until you see the product info section. This is where we'll add our custom specifications. Click the Add Custom Text button. This will open a text editor box where you can add your specs. Now, type in your product details. Be clear, concise, and include key information like materials, dimensions, care instructions, or anything else your customers need to know. Drag the custom text fields to the top of the product info section to feature the specifications. Once you're happy with your specifications, click the Save button in the top right corner. Now, navigate to your live product page on your website. See how the detailed specifications are now clearly displayed. Providing this information will boost customer confidence, reduce returns, and improve your store's SEO. Happy selling!